central government employees across India are planning a nationwide one-day strike on February 12, 2026. The strike has been called by the Confederation of Central Government Employees and Workers, citing dissatisfaction with the terms of reference of the 8th Pay Commission. Key demands include scrapping the national pension system and the unified pension scheme, and restoring the old pension scheme for all central government employees. Employees are also demanding a 20% interim relief on pay and pension from January 1, 2026. Another major demand is the merger of 50% Dearness allowance and Dearness relief with basic pay and pension, along with the release of 18 months of the A and D arrears frozen during the COVID-19 period. Unions have also raised concerns over job security, calling for filling vacant posts, stopping outsourcing and corporatisation, and regularising contractual and casual workers. A formal strike notice has been served to the Cabinet Secretary. The strike is expected to affect government offices and public services across the country.
Subscribe if they feel the channel is good enough to be subscribed. So thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your likes and subscription. Okay, bye bye.